Ciao ragazzi, I'm Chef Roberta Pasta Evangelist and today we are making delicious gnocchi alla Sorrentina. Ragazzi, let's see the ingredient for the gnocchi alla Sorrentina. We have tomato passata, of course fresh gnocchi, basil, mozzarella fior di latte quality, extra virgin olive oil. I have some parmesan and pecorino and a clove of garlic. So to make the perfect gnocchi alla Sorrentina, we start with the tomato sauce. I have already switched it on the pan. We will add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, about 4 to 5 tablespoons. And then we start to brown a little bit the garlic. You don't need to really chop the garlic, you just need to remove the skin and then you slightly fry it. Can you smell the garlic? So we have fried the garlic. Now we're gonna add the tomato passata. We put a little bit low the heat so to don't burn it. Now we can add lots of nice and fresh basil. And we're gonna add a little bit of salt. And then we stir it. And we leave it to cook for about half an hour. We cover. And we put it on a low medium heat. Now ragazzi that the tomato sauce is almost ready, you can cook the gnocchi. Making sure you do it when the sauce is ready because the gnocchi takes just a couple of minutes to cook. Don't forget to add the salt into the water, and when the water is nice and bubbling, we are going to give a quick shower to the gnocchi. And now the gnocchi are ready. I just boiled for a minute. Normally takes 2, but as the dish goes back in the oven, I wanted to just leave it a little bit more hard. And the tomato sauce is ready. We have to basically just assemble the dish. I'm going to remove the garlic. You can leave it, you can chop it very fine. I love it to just infuse the oil and then leave it, take it away from the sauce. Now I can simply mix the gnocchi into the tomato sauce. And we are going to add the different cheeses and we are going to also add the mozzarella. So you mix all together. Most of the sauce will get absorbed in the oven. Also, the cheeses will absorb the sauce. So let's go for a good handful of parmesan. Just a tiny bit more. I love just a bit of pecorino. Not too much because it's very salty, and keep it stirring. Now I have this beautiful bocconcini, the little mozzarella fior di latte. I'm going to cut it in half and then to decorate on top with the entire mozzarella, just to make it easy to melt with the gnocchi. And then we are ready to bake. And now we are ready to add mozzarella cheese, so we added already parmesan and a little bit of pecorino. We're going to add as much as you like. and then stir it all again. Another nice things that I love to add now and also after the dish is ready, it's just to give more flavor, is a bit of fresh basil. You just roughly chop, you don't really have to worry about it. And then we stir it a little bit more. And now it's ready to bake in the oven for about 20-25 minutes for 220 degrees. So I'm just gonna add, because I have got some left, to decorate all around a bit of more bocconcini. We love mozzarella. And we sprinkle just a little bit more Parmesan. And the Sorrentina is ready to be cooked. And ragazzi, gnocchi alla Sorrentina are now ready. Who's gonna join me tonight for dinner? Let's plate. We love a big portion. You can see all the mozzarella. You can literally serve these in the middle of the table so your guests can help themselves with how much gnocchi they will like it. I can then, just gonna add a little bit more. And then just to decorate the plate and just to give a little bit of freshness, I will add a few leaves of fresh basil. So I'm gonna take this one with all the mozzarella, guys. It's hot and it's good. Delizioso.